Hello everyone, guess what I got? Magic. Got an art snacks box. Isn't that sweet? Earlier that day. So I wanted to open this on camera because I've never gotten these before. It's so cool. So I'm not gonna do this whole video. I'm not gonna do this whole video with me talking. It's gonna be me opening it and then the rest time lapse because I'm gonna open it and then see what I could make with this art supplies. Wait, so I get an X-Acto knife. I'm scared I may break something. Magic. How do I open this? Oh, it goes on this side. Magic. Oh, there's 2 stickers in here. Does this open too or not? Okay. So the first things I see are these 2 really cute stickers. Oh my gosh, and they feel really nice too. I kind of want to put them in my mouth. This over here, no danger. Don't play with X-Acto knives, kids. I also see, it looks to be a pencil sharpener. Blue Ocean, the planet. Here. This is what tells us what's in the box. I'm gonna put it over here so I don't know. What is this? Ooh, this has my personal information, yurt! Ooh, there's a candy in here. Smarties. Candy! Now what is this? Share your unboxing with us. Art snacks! Should I just... Should I? Okay. Whoa! Oh, there's another sticker! Wow, I have 3 stickers! Stickers! What is... Whoa. Whoa. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so what is this? What the? I don't even know what this is. There's this. It's green. There's this. Seems to be a pencil with a weirdly shaped this. There's art snacks on it. Yay! Okay, so I got the smaller box because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it. So far, it's going pretty good. Let's just, Oh my gosh, no! So these are all the things that I've got so far. I'm so excited. This is March box. And right now it's October. Last month was September. Okay. Plumchester paint marker. Okay, so I'm guessing it's this? Maybe. No, this. Yeah, it literally says it on the front. Okay, so these are just like all the things that are here. Okay, you're... Ah! Okay, what is this? Do I just open the front? Oh, okay. Because I currently have this as a pencil sharpener. But there's this. Whoa, okay. Should I just take this off or it's like this? I'm gonna sharpen this. Whoa, come back here. Does this fit in here? Huh. Wow. This is good enough. It's so cool. I've never gotten a pencil sharpener with this kind of eraser before. I feel like I said before, weird. Okay, I don't know what this is. Brush pen. Gotta be careful with that. Oh no. This has happened to me all day. Oh my gosh. Let's test this. Whoa, this is like defined. Jeez. Whoa, this is what the? What's this? Paint marker. Is this white? Let's just get a marker to just see if it's white. Oh, it's actually green. Let's just really take a moment to appreciate this beautiful eraser. This beautiful eraser! I like the pencil is pretty good too.
it was like a pretty good pencil, and I didn't really know what to draw. I just did a simple hat face. It's kind of like a spin-off of Minnie Mouse with curly hair. And I put some overalls on her because I felt like it. And I was using this pen. I don't know what it's called, but I know it was made in Japan. The cap doesn't fit on the other end. I was outlining this with a brush pen, and that was kind of hard. It was hard. Like, I tried to get a straight line, and I didn't let it dry. And you will see what happens. I didn't wait for it to dry, and it smudged. Because what usually happens with me is I just erase the pencil afterwards, like what I usually do, but these are not my usual art supplies. So that kind of frustrated me. So I'm like, I have to be patient. What? Why? So then I started drawing this other girl thing. So I decided to bring my own eraser because I didn't want to like erase away that beautiful eraser just yet. So I just decided to get my other one, like my other big eraser, which I guess that means I failed the challenge. I didn't say there was a challenge, but like you're supposed to use only the art supplies that are in your box. But then again, I used my sketchbook, so But then again, I could have drawn on the box. But who would have want to see me do that? Everybody. I decided to draw this little kind of cat fox girl or whatever that I drew. So I tried to like copy it on this small piece of paper that I totally did not cut out and are totally straight lines everywhere. I feel like it was kind of difficult for me to draw the eyes this time. They were just, I don't usually draw eyes like that. I don't know. I was just like playing around with the eraser. I'm like, ooh, eraser! I was so excited for this like art snacks box to come, and it was so worth it. It was so cool and like something different to do. And it's not just like your usual art supplies that you use every day. It's like something new to like I guess, because you're so used to your own art supplies, just sometimes you need to change and see what else is there in the world to color with or draw or something. So it was so much fun, and I think I'm gonna try to get another box. This is the finished art, by the way. I think I'm gonna get a different box to just try out and see if there's some other better one, which I'm not sure, because this is my first time just unboxing like anything like this. So yeah. And I decided to do another drawing because I can. 2 drawings in one video, woohoo! And I would say leave a comment down below if you like this video, but the freaking comments are turned off. So just leave a like instead, so I know you like this content and you would like me to post more. So these are all of the drawings we created today. I hope you liked this video, and I totally did not draw a dude off camera. I didn't draw anything off camera. Nothing at all. Hope you have a lovely day full of treats. Yeah, treats. Stickers.